Here's a simple recipe for preparing fried chicken. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, or any other cut of chicken you prefer. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon paprika. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 cup buttermilk. Vegetable oil for frying. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. 2. Pour the buttermilk into a separate bowl. 3. Dip each chicken piece into the buttermilk, then coat it in the flour mixture. 3. Make sure the chicken is evenly coated. 4. Heat the vegetable oil in a large, deep skillet over medium-high heat until it reaches a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Carefully place the chicken pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the skillet. 5. Fry the chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. 6. Use a slotted spoon to remove the chicken from the skillet and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb any excess oil. 7. Serve the fried chicken hot with your favorite dipping sauce, and enjoy. And there you have it, a simple, delicious recipe for preparing fried chicken.